Are you looking for a powerful, just-released AI tool to boost your digital marketing or business operations? In this CRON AI Builder online AI review, we'll dive into 7 crucial things you need to know about this software. Stick around until the end because I'll reveal why it's causing a stir in the AI world and how it could make a big difference in your workflow. First off, CRON AI Builder Online is a cutting-edge AI platform designed to simplify building custom AI solutions without needing coding expertise. Whether you're new to AI or have experience, this tool claims to have something for everyone. It combines ease of use with powerful automation that can streamline everything from content creation to customer management. One of the best things about CRON AI Builder is its drag-and-drop interface. If you're not tech-savvy, no worries. The platform allows you to build AI workflows with zero coding. This makes it an ideal solution for marketers, entrepreneurs, or small business owners looking to leverage AI without the steep learning curve. Another key feature is its versatility. CRON AI Builder integrates well with a wide range of applications, allowing you to automate tasks across different platforms seamlessly. From managing customer interactions to personalizing your email campaigns, this AI tool takes care of the heavy lifting, leaving you more time for creative and strategic work. Next, let's talk about the scalability. CRON AI Builder is designed to grow with your business. Whether you're a solopreneur or part of a large team, it offers flexible pricing plans and features that can be tailored to your needs. As your business expands, you can unlock more advanced tools and automation features without switching platforms. The software also promises high accuracy in its predictions and recommendations. This is especially important for marketers looking to optimize their campaigns. By analyzing data patterns, CRON AI Builder helps you make informed decisions, improving your ROI in a fraction of the time it would take manually. One thing that sets CRON AI Builder apart is its training resources. They don't just leave you to figure it out on your own. With tutorials, customer support, and a community of users, you have all the resources you need to master the software quickly. Now, I know you're probably wondering about the pricing. The great thing about CRON AI Builder is that you can try it completely free through the first link in the description below. Yes, you get to test all its features before making any commitment. So there's absolutely no risk in seeing how it fits into your business operations. By now, you're probably thinking about how you can integrate CRON AI Builder into your workflow. But before you go, don't forget to check out my recommended AI tools in the description, each tried and tested after thousands of hours working with AI software. Trust me, these tools can take your business to the next level. CRON AI Builder is definitely one of the most exciting AI tools to hit the market recently, and it's worth trying if you want to stay ahead of the curve.